Hello Bladers! The Philippines is a country overflowing with motorists. There is not even a single second where you wouldn't see a motorcycle in the street. For those who love their motorcycle, nothing hits a beautiful day and an open road. But with so many activities, even the joy of a simple road trip can be improved with just the right amount of tech and gadget. Here's our pick for the gadgets every biker dude or lady should have with them on their next ride. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are the 5 must-have for every motorcycle rider. Number 1, a cool and safe helmet. Before starting out your road trip, better keep in mind that safety comes first. But that doesn't mean you should buy that heavy-duty helmet that would make you look out of fashion. There is a lot of selection of cool and fashionable biker helmets. Number 2, motorcycle phone mount. Now this equipment comes very handy and is a must for every motorist. Easily navigate your way through the streets while keeping your handy mobile device intact and safe. Number 3, action camera and dash mount. Some rides are just about getting from point A to point B while others are about finding new roads and as simple as riding out with friends. Nothing beats the ability to capture a visual record of the more memorable moments. That's where action cameras come in. Aside from capturing moments, this may very well help you in cases of accidents as you have direct proof of what happened during your ride. Number 4, motorcycle gloves. Now, it's not just fashion. But these gloves actually help you from reducing the chances of accidents. It helps motorists in properly grasping and driving. There are a lot of types of gloves for riders and it will all boil down to which one is the most comfortable one for you. Number 5, battery charger. You'd never know what could go wrong for every ride you have. There will be instances where you would have problems with your motorcycle's battery. The portable battery charger is a big must for you, especially for long rides. A lot of battery chargers have been specially designed to provide safe and easy charging and maintenance for vehicles. It is practical equipment and very simple to use with an easy-to-understand display. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.